Hey there watching. Today I want to bring an interesting topic. The money making machine. This is the conversation every business person loves to have. How can we make money? We want to make money. How do we bring out this money from the pockets of our audience? Now I want to tell you some techniques that have worked for people over time, and I'm sure they will work for you. The first one is the power of technology in business advancement. The second is consistency. The third is competence, value, and credibility. Then we move on to business networking. Then we'll talk about diversification and venturing, not leaving out collaborations and partnerships, and then the God factor. Now, people collaborate and partner in order to join forces together for a common goal, right? It could mean joining expertise together, joining experience together, joining finances together, joining their networks together, joining their audience together, right? For their own advantage in order to increase their profitability. The God factor in business is the fastest money making machine, the best and the most assured money making machine. You can bank on it, you can trust it. If you include the God factor in your business, you will continually see increase and profitability.